You're doing it wrong, and I'm going to tell you where you're wrong in this whole process. Hey, folks, how you doing? My name is Andrew. Top Fitness Strategies. I am the face who runs the place. We're all about the fitness over 50. Feel better, look better, gain some confidence. That's what we're all about. Okay, today we're going to talk about nutrition, more so non-nutrition. And by that, I mean your cheat days. Okay, now, right away, you might be saying, Andrew, what is a cheat day? Well, theory is the theory, and I'm sure you ask 100 people, you're going to get 100 different definitions of this. But the theory is, let's say you start eating clean, whatever that means to you. And I'm not talking eating a salad every day. I mean, just eating differently, eating better than what you currently were yesterday. Okay. So let's say you start eating better. Want to call it clean, whatever. You just started eating better. And then, you know what? I need to go back to my old ways of doing it, at least for one day. So we call that a cheat day. Cheat. CHEAT, a cheat day, in case my enunciation isn't good enough for you. A cheat day. All right. So what happens? Usually, I'm not saying everybody does it like this. There's some exceptions to the rules. Usually, people take a Friday to have their cheat day. I was good all week. On Friday, work's done. I'm going out, gonna go out with my sweetheart. And what am I gonna do? Gonna get maybe a pizza, maybe a burger, a little bit of alcohol, adult beverage here, adult beverage there. Hey, you know what? After all, I was good Monday through Thursday, and maybe even Friday lunch. So Friday evening comes, boom, time for a cheat meal. Guess what? Yeah, you do it, fantastic, no problem. Saturday comes. Maybe you're working out in the yard, you do something different. You're not at your usual routine of going to the office, to work, going to wherever your job is. You're at home doing stuff. Maybe, you know what? I'm going to snack a little bit. After all, I ate clean. I ate good up until yesterday at noon. Last night I was off a little bit, but I do it again today. Not a problem. That little snack, the potato chips here, couple of soda pops here, something like that. Maybe you get something different in the evening. Again, you're at home Saturday night. You know what? It's fine. I ate good Monday through Thursday. I can do it again today. A little bit of a cheat type thing. I'll get off my schedule just a little bit. Sunday comes. Go to church maybe. Come home. What's on? What's usually happens on Sundays? Ball games. Maybe a race. Lounging around the house, maybe doing something or doing nothing. Guess what? I'm going to snack a little bit. You know what? It's Sunday. Tomorrow, I'm going to start it again. I'm going to start this clean eating thing again. Okay. Monday comes. Guess what? You start it all again. You go through Thursday, maybe Friday lunch. And guess what? The weekend's here. Hey, got my cheat day. Got a great cheat day again. Going to do it again. So let's think about that for a minute. If that sounds familiar to you, and it might be. Maybe you're completely different than that, but I will promise you a lot of people have that same scenario going on or similar to it. Okay. So you went Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you want to call half a day Friday, great. But let's say 4 days of great eating, clean eating, nutritional value eating, however you want to phrase it. Then you have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday night. So basically you have 4 days on, 4 days on, 3 days off, 4 days on, 3 days off. Now, if you're trying to get healthier, if you're trying to get fitter, nutrition is one of the key components of everything. Keep that in mind. If you don't believe me, well, I don't know what to tell you. It's almost, or it probably is a scientifically proven fact. I'm not going to link to anything here, but hey, nutrition is one of the key elements to everything in life for better health. Don't believe me? Look it up, ask a doctor, whatever. And also, any advice I'm giving you, especially dietarily wise, if that's a word, dietarily wise, consult your physician. All right. Keep that in mind. All right. So we have 4 days on, good nutrition. Great. You're going to have the cheat day, which now turns into 3 cheat days. All right. So what's that over a month? And I have some figures putting up here because I'm not doing all the math in my head right away. So in a month, in a 30-day month, that means you have 16 cheat days, 16 good days, 12 bad days. That's in a 4-week period. 16 good days, 12 bad days. Almost 50-50. Almost. Extrapolate that out for a year. What are you going to have? 208 good nutrition days. 208. That's the 4 multiplied by a year, basically. Versus the cheat days, if you will. Cheat day just turns into cheat days. 156. So 208, 156. What's the difference in the two? 52, basically 1 day a week. So if you feel you can change your nutrition, you can change your health, I shouldn't say change your nutrition. If you can change your health, change your fitness with 1 day a week, you're out of your mind. You are out of your mind. You're basically going 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Yeah, but Andrew, I'm still going forward. Yep, you're right. You want to look at it that way? You're absolutely correct. You are going that 1 step forward. But how long is it going to take you that route? Okay. So what's the solution? Use your brain. Think a little bit about it. Think. Keep it all in perspective. You want to have a cheat day, make sure it's a cheat day, not cheat days, not cheat weekend. Yeah, occasionally life will happen. I get it. We all go through it. We all experienced it. But back off a little bit. Okay, let's say you have starting your cheat day Friday night. If you want to extend it to Saturday night, hey, that's 1 full day. If you want to look at it that way, cut it off Saturday night. Or just don't do anything Friday. Do it on the Saturday or between Saturday night and Sunday. Saturday night, start your cheat day and go to Sunday if you want to have the cheat day thrown in there. Some nutritionists, some health nuts will tell you, yes, I said health nuts, get over it. Some health nuts will tell you not to do a cheat day. Hey, whatever floats your boat, man. I'm not here to preach to you. And as I said in other videos, and you can find them all on my channel here, I'm not speaking anything I haven't spoken in the past. You're old enough to know this. You're old enough to know better. Are you wise enough? I don't know. That's totally up to you, but you have to start using your brain. I'm just as guilty as everybody else. I'm just as guilty as the next guy when it comes to cheat days. Have I experienced the 4 on, 3 off? Oh, absolutely. Do I still do it occasionally? Yep. Am I 100% committed to only 1 cheat day a week? Nope. But when I do, I feel a lot better. Feeling wise, health wise, everything about me is good. I'm not saying I'm better, or I'm not saying I'm worse than you. I'm just saying I'm part of the crowd, man. And I'm trying to bring this to your attention. So a cheat day, make it a cheat day if you're going to have it, or a cheat couple of days. If you make it a cheat 3 days, what's the point? Now think about that. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. In other words, in this scenario, 4 steps forward, 3 steps back. 4 steps forward, 3 steps back. Is that what you want? I don't know. Depends where you're at in life right now. But now you know. There's the cool thing about it. Now you know. Okay. My name is Andrew, Top Fitness Strategies. I'm the face who runs the place. Check out all the goodies I have for you. Until next time, this is me. Ciao.